Andrew and I are here at Madison Square Park in New York City, where
We shouldn't be here at all, Willa. We should be inside, getting dry.
I asked if you wanted to go get pie. You said yes.
There's no pie here. All I see are trees, buildings, that circular pond area, and... Wait, circular? Did you mean pie? Like math pie?
Well, obviously I didn't mean apple.
Why would that be obvious? Look, I'm wet, I'm hungry, we don't even have an umbrella or a measuring tape. We are not calculating pi.
We don't need one. All we need to calculate or estimate pi is right here in front of us.
If I said I believe you, can we skip the explanation and go home right now?
No. So it's pretty cool that it's really convenient for us to find pi here at the pond today because they've drained the water. Those little squares at the bottom can be our unit of measurement and help us get an excellent estimate of the radius, which is the first step to finding pi. Let's count how many squares there are from the center to the...
crust.
Focus. I was going to say to the edge. And remember, we're just trying to get a good estimate, so it's not a huge deal if we're off by a few squares.
Sorry. Okay, that is actually cool. Let's count. I get a radius of 40 squares.
Me too. And that means it's 80 squares to go straight across the entire circle. We call this the diameter.
So I remember that the distance around a circle, its circumference, is pi times its diameter. So to find pi, we use this formula, right?
Exactly.
Let's see, how many squares make up the circumference? Oh man, this is gonna take forever. I'm miserable.
Hold on. You can see that 6 small squares there at the bottom of the pond equals 1 of the curved stones going around the pond.
So 6 square stones for every curved stone. And your point is?
I count 42 curved stones going around the circle. So 42 curved stones is the same as 6 times 42 of the small stones, or 252.
Oh.
Drum roll, please. Let's see if we found pi. Circumference over diameter. 252 of the small stones divided by 80 of the same small stones. And I'm using my calculator now. I get 3.15.
That's a pretty darn close estimation of pi. And all using just the shapes on the ground? Wow. I'm impressed.
Thanks.
Hey, I actually know somewhere else we can calculate pi, plus some other mathematical delights.
Where?
It's Mo Math on 5th, right on the north side of the park.